Welcome to Wondertales. Why do 99% of birthday parties have cake? Because cakes are fluffy, sweet, and totally yummy. But what makes them so magical inside? Cakes are like little science experiments you can eat. But they're not just bread with sugar. Oh no! When you make a cake, you start with flour, eggs, sugar, and butter. These ingredients team up like superheroes. When you mix them together, something amazing happens. Tiny bubbles form in the batter. These bubbles are trapped by the flour and eggs, so when your cake bakes, those bubbles puff up, and that's what makes your cake light, soft, and fluffy. Pause with wonder. And what about that yummy, sweet taste? That's all thanks to the sugar. It doesn't just taste good, it helps your cake turn golden and keeps it nice and moist. So, next time you sink your teeth into a slice of cake, remember, it's not just a treat, it's a little bit of kitchen science magic. Maybe you can be the next cake scientist. Now, who's ready for dessert? Thanks for baking and learning with us, little chefs.